Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then the center of fovea also contains a foveola. So this foveola is actually present inside the fovea. So this C is fovea. Inside the fovea we have foveola. So if this is the macula, in the center we have fovea. Inside it we have foveola. Okay, so as a result, foveola is 0.35 millimeters diameter and it is almost 1 degree to visual field. It is actually 0.35 millimeters, 1 degree to visual field. It is almost 2 disc diopters away from the temporal margin to the optic disc. It is actually 2 disc diameters from the temporal margin to the optic disc. From here, it is 2 centimeters, 2 disc diopters away. So this is foveola.
thank you and thank you for watching.